In this video, we'll discuss an accurate and profitable scalping trading strategy. This strategy can be applied to forex trading, gold, cryptocurrencies, and more moreover. Before we start the video, make sure you like and subscribe channel, and you don't forget to hit the bell so you get the notifications of my future videos. I'm going to use Bitcoin chart on a 5-minute time frame to explain this strategy. So let's get started our strategy. This scalping strategy will use two free indicators from TradingView that are very powerful and easy to use. First of all, we add Hall Suite to our chart. This indicator, which is written by InSilico. As you can see, we have two ribbons. One of them is green, that shows bullish market, and another one is red, which shows us bearish market. The important point of this strategy and this indicator is we don't change any items of the default setting of this indicator. As I said, we use two indicators. We go to Indicators tab, and here we search EMA. Moving average exponential. We add moving average exponential to our chart, and we should make some adjustments to our chart. First of all, in the inputs, we change this length to 100, and I change the color of the our EMA to be visible more to the yellow, and I click on OK to confirm our change. The EMA indicator will be used as a trend guide in the market. If the price candlestick is above the EMA, then it's sign of bullish trend, and main focus is to look for the best points to place buy orders. And on the other hand, when the candlesticks are below the hour EMA, it shows a bearish market, and we just search for sell positions. When we have a change in the color of the hour Hall Suite, for example here the candlesticks are below the EMA, and the color of the hour Hall Suite changed from green to red, and it shows us a bearish market. So we can set our order here, and we set our stop loss at latest high swing, and we search for 1.5 reward here. As you can see here in this candle, price touch our target. We have a very important point in this strategy. We place our order when we have a reversal trend in the EMA. For example, for the long time we have a bullish market, and after that the candles came below the EMA, and it shows us a bearish market. Or here we saw that candles are below the EMA, and after that the candles cross above the EMA, and it shows us a bullish market. So we can place our order here, buy position here, and we set our stop loss latest swing below, and we search for 1.5 reward. I tested this strategy for 50 times, and win rate of this strategy is above 80%. This strategy is very accurate and profitable. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video, and good luck with your trading.